Thank you very much. The graduation just ended and it lasted like 2 hours and a half and everything went well aside from the unavoidable glitches that we encountered because of sometimes the connection on internet. So this time it was good enough to celebrate.
Virtual graduation.
Oh.
Here's your treat, sir.
Wow, thank you very much, ma'am. Yun pala yung tsura ng parata ni Ma'am Camille.
Yes, parata pa lang. Sir, ma'am.
Grabe, kanina McDonald's ay sponsor, ngayon Jollibee.
Gabriel!
Kahit everyday mag-graduation tayo. Kasi si Trev pagka-graduation saka umiingay ngayon, tahimik na ako.
Tahimik siya ni sir.
Alam mo naman ma'am, lagi akong nakatutok lang sa ano ko.
Nakatutok
Mahihain
saan?
po ako. Tutok pagka ano, sa ano.
Workaholic mo na dito kayo. Halika na mag-yosi na tayo sa baba. Did you bring ice, my friend? Ice? Yeah.
I don't know.
We need ice because probably your soft drinks are not that cold.
I don't know. They will give me only like this.
Kinain. Ano mo, kainin mo yung ano.
Sana ganyan ka rin. Sana ganyan ka rin.
Yung sinagyan ko para sa
Yung minomonitor ko boss, ano, hanggang 86% lang.
Saling mataas. Ayun, i-account mo na to.
Yeah.
Kasi kinakailangan constructive.
Yung graduation.
Ayun lang. Yung introduction sa'yo. Mamaya, alamin ko kung sino yung maraming kumuha, 2 manok.
Yan deduction.
Ayan, ayan o. Busog ako.
So 35 yan.
Yan po, umubos ng chicken na isa.
Saan si Lloyd?
Ano, suko, kita-kita.